Hey folks, welcome back to another episode. Today, got me a docking station for my Oculus Quest 2. This is from this company called, I believe it's called Smatree, not Smartree, Smatree. And they asked me to do a review on this. Well, I really can't do a review on it, so this is just going to be like a really quick look on it. So yeah, let's take a look at this real quick and see if we can use this whole docking station to charge my Oculus. If you guys have been using the Oculus, well, you know it's actually one of the best product that I've bought this year because it's a lot more advanced than I thought it has been. So yeah, I can't believe how great the Oculus Quest 2 is, and I'm constantly looking for accessories for it. So this is just one of those items that is kind of a must-have. Wow, look at this. This is compact, I would say. The form factor is, for me, is compact. I mean, that's all it is. I'm assuming that all of this right here is just going to be cords and stuff like that. Yep. All right, so you got some USB-C to USB-C cord. I don't know what that is yet, so we will see. All right. So you've got some plates, I would say, that has these magnets on there. So we will find out what that is. So as you can see, they're magnets. So these are little batteries that goes into the charger. All right, great. Okay, so let me just. All right, so let's go ahead and install this. Let's see here. I'm assuming that I'm just going to install it like I do with all the other ones. Like a battery, right? Okay. So I installed a little battery in there. Now what? It can't be that easy where I just stick this in here. Okay, so that's it. You just put the thing on there. Oh. Okay, I see how that works now. Okay, guys, let me just remove this battery real quick so that I can show you guys how this works. So you see these two little pins right here, right, on the battery door, which in turn will attach to this right here. But I just want to show you that this battery is genius. So the old style is that, you plug these things into the actual USB-C port that's on the actual battery itself, but these right here, you see there's no port, and so it literally contacts this little thing, this little, I guess, magnet that's on here, and then yeah, it just charges, and then this thing right here in turn will charge it that way. So once I put this thing in here, and then I put the battery door on there. By the way, when you're putting the battery door on, the magnet keeps wanting to like stick onto here. So that's what makes it difficult, but that's it. Yeah, and then that's it. Magnetize and then it's just charge. Yeah, so it's not super strong magnet. I mean, because the controller is, I mean, you're not going to be able to upside down this thing, but it does help the fact that you don't have to try to figure out, did I put it on there correctly? The magnet just takes care of everything for you. It's very nice. And now look, it's just a regular looking grip. There's no hole in it. You don't have to plug this thing through. And then honestly, if you just want to remove this thing, you just remove the battery like you usually do. So I think this is one of the very best wireless charging technique for this that I've ever seen. Yeah. And you don't have to wonder if you're putting it on the right one or not. It just snaps in there. Very interesting. Okay. Awesome system already. That's amazing. And now let's go to the next part of it, which is charging the actual headset. So the headset itself doesn't seem like it's it's not wireless charging. Okay, you do have a cord that comes out of the bottom right here. It actually was tucked in nicely in here. I didn't even see it, but it comes out like this, and I'm assuming that you just put this thing on here and you just charge it. Wait, am I doing it right? Yeah. Come on, Leon. So depending on what kind of headset or strap that you have, it may or may not sit on this like you want it to. So let's say if I were to, I mean, it won't sit upside down, right? So yeah, it sits this way right here. You plug it in. Okay, so the last piece is, you know, this thing that I've been trying to figure out what to do with right here. It's actually fairly easy. This is the one thing that always bugs me is how when I'm putting this thing in, it always slips off, because depending on, you know, what kind of strap you have, it may not sit perfectly on there because of the way the back of the strap is. So what I'm going to do is use this little thing right here, because I read the instruction booklet. Right there. And yeah, that just serves as a stopper, so that when you place your headset on there, it doesn't slide in and out. So now it's kind of securely on there. Yeah, that's all it is. It's just a little stopper. There are, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but there's like 3 lights right here. So if I would just plug in my headset, does the light change? Yeah, see, the light turns red. By the way, guys, it does come with a brick for your USB-C, FYI on that. All right, but yeah, this is what it actually would look like right here. Once you plug it in, all these lights right here should light up and say that, hey, it's charging and all that good stuff. I don't know if you can see that orange or not, but in conclusion, I think this is a really good idea as a docking station. You know, you kind of need a place to put your Quest 2 anyway, somewhere around the house, rather than throwing it around. So I think this is a really good idea right here. Just having a controller just easily charged. And then, you know, you just plug your headset in. A lot of time though, I mean, my headset are actually being charged with, you know, a battery pack on the back like this anyway. And so it's usually fully charged anyway. And so I may just need a spot to throw that on there. But if I really need juice for it, I just plug it in. Yeah, I think it's a great idea. I think that is a great idea. The wireless charging system, that's one of the best that I've seen. Anyway, that's it for me. I am out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.